Alright, we are making an instruction video on how to take apart a 15-ton and replace the bladder without a forklift. First thing you want to do is you want to get it on a steady surface. You can either use the ground or we have the sturdy table here. First thing you want to do is you want to take off your control box and you want to take off the hose on the back of it. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. There should be 4 bolts on each side of the box. Once you get this box off, there's going to be a hose inside of the box that allows the airflow to go into the bladder through the box. Flip your box over, and this is where hose you're going to take off. Okay, once you get your box off, put your box down off to the side. And your hose will still be connected to the bottom. Okay, now basically what you're going to do is you want to get another person and you're going to take the whole clicker and you're going to flip it upside down. Be very careful, this clicker weighs over 500 pounds. Alright. Okay, once you got it laid down, you pretty much see everything where it looks like on the bottom. Next thing you want to do is you want to get 2 pieces of safety wood to put in between the 2 plates so when it does drop, you have less space for it to fall. Take your 3/8 Allen. There should be 8 bolts on the bottom of each 15-ton clicker on the bottom of it. You're going to take each one out. Just be very careful on taking these out, because once that plate falls, it's very, very heavy, and once it falls, it's going. These bolts might be a little tight on the bottom. We suggest using any type of pipe or any such thing to create a cheater bar. The more area you have to work with, it's really useful, because it's a lot of really bulky, and the more room you got, the easier it is, because you'll just have room to work with. We're gonna slide this whole clicker back once I get these loose, just so we could slide this middle plate out. We got 2 more bolts to go, so we're gonna slide it forward now. Should be the last one here. The last one's gonna be pretty tight because you got all that weight on that middle plate. Make sure all these are out.